Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we are working on a Chevy Cruze and we're going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate on the left side, but it's identical, the same procedure on the right side. What you need to do, open the hood and of course put the safety right there so it doesn't go down. And now on the right headlight, right here, the bulb is located right there on the back. This is the bulb for the headlight. So what you need to do, you need to turn to the left about 30 degrees and then you pull it out of there. And this is the bulb, if you need to replace it. And okay, right here now, that gray part right here, you need to push in the middle and pry a little bit on the sides. It needs to come out of there. As you can see, there is one tooth holding it. Okay, you need to pull it out. This way we can press down right there and we're going to pull the bulb out of the wire right here. So that's the headlight bulb and this is the number right here if you need it to. It's H13. So you just install it the same way we took it apart. You just go there again, plug it in, never touch the bulb with your fingers, otherwise it will not last very long, because the grease from your fingers will cause it to burn. Okay, right there, you just push it, go again in the hole and turn it about 30 degrees to the right, and that's how you replace it. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.